Rubber conveyor belt. Our rubber belt after vulcanization, the rubber has high elasticity, heat resistance, and so on high-quality characteristics. We use 8 mm thickness. It has a long service life, not easy to damage and wear. Plastic crusher machine. Efficient size reduction. Crushes large plastic waste film, jumbo bags, woven bags, etc. into smaller pieces for easier handling. Automation and labor savings reduces manual cutting or sorting efforts. Continuous operation and washing line. Durability and low maintenance. Made with strong SKD blades for long-lasting performance. Easy to clean and maintain. Electric motor open the machine and fast change blade. Safe operation. Install safety features like emergency stop buttons and overload protection. Screw loader. Collect crushed film and loading film to next process. Friction loading machine. Plastic flakes are fed into a rotating shaft with pedals or blades inside a perforated drum. High-speed rotation creates centrifugal force plus friction between the flakes and the drum walls. Water is sprayed into the drum, and the combination of friction plus water scrubs the plastic clean. Dirty water drained out. Double rotor shaft flow washing tank. Cold water washing and separates different plastic types efficiently helps with purity of recyclables. We also supply hot washing floor washing tank. Wash dirt, sand, and waste of plastic. It will sinking in bottom. Sinking material removed by bottom screw and side lip screw loader. The interior of float washing tank adopts a dual-axis rotation design. Fast rotor and inverter control speed. Compare normal roller, better separator dirty waste in film. The rotating shaft is made of high-quality seamless steel pipe, and the blades are made of 300 for stainless steel, which is high quality and durable. Vertical high-speed friction machine. Lift first-time washed plastic film to next cross. Initially discard the dirty water and back the water to float washing tank. Special rotor shaft design, less fiber stir, steady rotor, high-efficiency water return. Horizontal dewatering machine. High-speed rotor and remove the dirty water, fines, etc. before film into second floor washing tank for better washing and cleaning material. Second times double rotor shaft flow washing tank. Waste plastic film after first washing tank. Vertical friction machine. Dewatering machine. The film had remover 70 to 75% dirty. By 2 times washing, mostly dirty had removed, allowing us to obtain higher quality recycled waste film. Second vertical high-speed friction machine. Backwater to second floor washing tank and friction film flakes again, loading film to next. Move silo. Bottom with conveyor belt, automatic uniform feeding the film and inverter control speed. Large capacity design, reducing manual bagging with drainage facilities at the bottom. Rubber conveyor belt. Continuous feeding squeezer agglomerator with sensors on the side and top to automatically feed the material. Plastic film squeezer agglomerator machine. Plastic squeezer agglomerator is important machine in washing recycling line. By inner screw squeezing and compressing plastic film, the water will drain out by the screw barrel hole. A squeezer agglomerator machine advantage is energy efficient, uses mechanical pressure versus hot air, reduces drying time drastically. Eliminates need for thermal dryers in many cases, compact and easy to integrate into recycling lines. After squeeze out agglomeration, film finally moisture around 3 to 4%. Improve feeding efficiency for extruders or pelletizers. We supply 300 to 3,000 kilograms per hour, or customize the washing line capacity for customer.